What's up, everybody? Just got an email about the new PA-28 Archer 3 made for X-Plane 11. I'm sorry, X-Plane 12. It says it right there, X-Plane 12. So you guys can grab this. It looks like it just came out if you look at the version history. Literally, the initial release was yesterday. So customers who own the Just Flight PA-28 Archer 3 for X-Plane 11, if you guys already have that, automatically receive 20% discount. So go check this out. I think you guys will be anything like the Piper Warrior, the Piper Archer. These are good training aircraft. The Archer is going to be a slight step up in horsepower for the aircraft. You're getting a little bit more power, most likely a little bit more speed, hopefully with that. And this one looks like it'll be a great option. This will be a great option as well. I can see it's got the GNS 530 there. So you've got the whole six-pack. So everything that I teach here on the channel at Flight Sim Guides is going to work out really well for this. If you own any of the real sim gear, like the 530, the audio panel, the autopilot, plus anything with the six-pack that I show you guys how to create with Sim Innovations there, you guys have a lot of great options at your fingertips with this particular aircraft. So did you know that I actually created a program called the Quick Build Blueprint for your home flight simulator? It's going to show you guys real quick, give you guys the basics of how to design your own home flight simulator, get avionics, which flight controls to get. We're going to walk you through every step, exactly how to build your home flight simulator, VR or not VR, PC or Mac, all that good stuff, Microsoft Flight Simulator or X-Plane. Basically, we've curated all of the best videos so that you guys can learn how to create your own home flight simulator. Links down in the description. Go grab yourself a copy. I really like the way that it looks in dark here. I have not purchased this. It may suck. I don't know, but it looks like these guys are not known for creating junk, so just know that. A lot of aircraft also have the ability to add or change, so they might make it so you could have like a 530, or you could change it so you have like a 750, 650. Okay, so all I'm seeing here is that you do have the ability, if you have Reality XP, I'll show you guys watch a video. I'll leave a video for Reality XP up here in the corner, wherever it's at. Go check that out. But if you guys have Reality XP, you can run the GTN 750 in this particular aircraft, and it looks like only the 530. Now, if you have Reality XP, you should be able to run Reality XP's version of the 530 and the 430, but you're going to run it on your actual instrumentation, the physical devices, not the 3D cockpit. So go check that out. So they do have support for all of that. Come here, check this out, and let me know what you guys think of it if you guys have already picked it up. All right, catch you guys later. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our Home Flight Simulator Resource Guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.